Hi, AWE Asia. My name is Vivian Chan, and I'm Global Head of Digital Sales at NexTech AR. Welcome to my session today on how digital human holograms will change the way we interact. So let's just jump to the slide deck. A little bit about my background. I've been in the technology sector for 22 years now and been involved in three waves of technology: AI and analytics, cloud, and now XR. One of the things that I've kind of made my career is really been exploring both the digital realities of the metaverse as well as the analog realities. Early in my career, I started out in marketing and product marketing, and so explored really the realm of events, of online, launching online properties, and now I've been involved over in the last 7 years in AR and VR. And so I love this visual of the merger of the physical and the digital realities, which is the space that we're all playing in, and also in combination of. And so as we explore, the augmented reality, virtual reality space, I want to talk a little bit about some trends that I'm observing to start. So first of all, technology is constantly converging. And so what we're seeing right now is this convergence of analytics, cloud, and extended and augmented reality coming together. And as a result of this merger of technologies, there's a lot of things that are critical as we're building out adoption of this new technology. First of all, there has to be an element of community. The community of creators, the community of users and developers that use this technology is growing and is going to be an early sign of success of it proliferating. Also, because technology is changing so quickly, and especially in the spatial computing space, we've got to stay lifelong learners. I am constantly reading about where the technology is going, where patents are going and whatnot, and how all of this is going to come together to ultimately create immersive experiences. And then finally, for augmented reality to be successful, it has to be entertaining. And so at the end of the day, what we're really here to do is entertain, delight, and create wonder with the technologies that we're creating. So these are some of the tenets that I've been observing of where the industry is going. So let's talk about human holograms or digital doubles of yourself or others. I believe that human holograms will change the way we live because ultimately, you will soon be able to be in 5 places at the same time. You'll be able to be in multiple places in the same time. At NexTech AR, we've been really exploring the whole digital human economy space. And one of the superpowers that we have is creating human holograms. Here is an example of our CEO, Evan Gappelberg, being in 5 homes at the same time, giving a holographic keynote presentation. This has a major impact because with travel limitations, with the ability to scale yourself into global homes, not just markets, you can record once and be in many different people's homes, presenting, communicating, engaging, creating a powerful experience. And this is the power of human holograms. It's a one-to-many experience because your digital double is now ported to the consumer, to your partners, and to your community. I also believe, and we've observed at NexTech AR, how human holograms will change the way we also shop. We've been working on smart packaging, and we've partnered with the brand True Life Vitamins to create smart packaging. So here we have on the bottle of True Life Vitamins a QR code that continues the customer experience. So after you bought the vitamins, you're able to activate an experience that launches Nora, who is the dietitian and virtual brand ambassador. She comes and explains how to use the vitamins, what are the benefits of the vitamins. And so it creates this really engaging experience before you even enjoy your first vitamin. What we found with the human holograms for packaging is that it's increased conversion rates in marketing and has performed, 3 to 4x times better than video. It also has, we've noticed a major shift in sort of repeat purchases, because those first impressions or experiences of a product are not just tasting the vitamin. It may be this introduction to this experience of the vitamin that gets ingrained into our memories. And so really purchasing is experiential and it's also emotional. And so how do you create those magical moments in the product's journey? We believe smart packaging is one of those ways. I believe human holograms will also change the way we learn. And at NexTech AR, we've partnered with Ryerson University and their Dean of Science, David Cram, to create scientific labs using human holograms. And this came in handy because when schools had restrictive policies to come on campus, what you could do then is create digital learning that was engaging and interactive. Again, the problem statement that we had originally with David in co-innovation was that chemistry labs were restrictive in terms of accessibility. The lab could only hold about 30 people at a time. You had to book it. The equipment was very expensive. So how could we change the way we teach first and second year science students, the equipment that was available to them and sometimes not so available to them? Well, what we did was we created over 35 biology and chemistry labs that showed students how to use chemistry equipment. We had instructors come in as digital holograms to kind of explain the exercise or the lab. And the one that I'm most proud of is that we actually are able to also save animals. So we are doing a digital rat dissection now. So no rats are injured in augmented reality world. So how do we create some of the holograms? Well, we're excited about the convergence of artificial intelligence powered digital human hologram creation capabilities. We've launched a product called Holox. It allows you to essentially use the power of AI to take a video and create a hologram of yourself with a personalized message or a message with no green screen. So today, holographic capture can often be very expensive and not available. You've got to have a studio with 40 different cameras and a very expensive studio time. Well, we're saying now you can make a hologram anywhere in the world and without a green screen. So here you go. This is where you take a video, we convert it through AI, and it becomes a hologram via a QR code or a link that you can send to anyone in the world. So think about the applications of this. What if you could embed a holographic capture method in your application? Let's say you had a dating application and you could send a hologram before you go on a date. What if you were able to send a hologram as a birthday greeting for a family member that you haven't seen in 2 years overseas? How would you be able to, what would you create if you were able to have this creator generated tool that allowed you to create human holograms as easy as creating a video? Well, we believe that Holox is going to be quite revelatory and will change things because it literally is 3 steps. You create a hologram by filming yourself on your mobile phone. You share that hologram to others, either online or as a text or as a in-store activation. And then you can view that hologram. So we're making it as easy as 1, 2, 3. And so we're looking for folks to join this Holox. So check out NexTech AR, nextechar.com Holox. So if you could add digital objects into the real world, how would it change the way you shop, learn, and live? These are the questions that we're exploring at NexTech AR. And for more information on augmented reality and the human experience, please check out a channel that I have called vivianchannel.com. I've got videos, I've got interviews with new voices, innovators in the space, and look forward to seeing you on my channel. So thanks for joining me at AWE Asia.